How to easily set up and use Roamless Esim. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use and how to set up Roamless Esim on your mobile device. Now first is make sure that your mobile phone has this kind of feature that you can use eSIM by just going into About Phone and check if your phone is compatible to have that kind of feature. Now next is to download and install Roamless application via Google Play Store or any app store available on your end. And then from here you can go ahead and create an account so that you can complete the purchase on that specific destination that you're going in to use Roamless eSIM. Now once you've successfully completed the purchase, then all you have to do next is to go into your phone settings. Now once you're here, all I have to do is to go into connections, and then you can try and go in SIM manager. So this is usually where the add eSIM is located, but gonna be depending on what device you're using. Simply tap on add eSIM, scan a specific QR code that you will get on Roamless app once you completed the purchase, and once you turn on your mobile data, it will automatically be activated. And that is how easily you set up and use Roamless eSIM.